Hello everyone, my name is Emily and I am from the World of Orange Children's Museum. Welcome to our sensory playtime where we are going to learn how to make DIY snow. Now to make DIY snow is extremely simple. I know we have quite a bit of it on the ground right now, but that is okay, we can still have some fun with it inside of our own houses. It is going to be a ratio of 2 cups of baking soda to a half cup of shaving cream. And the baking soda will need to be frozen, so it'll be nice and fun and cold for the kiddos to play with. So now we're just going to measure out our snow, or our baking soda. Ooh, got a little extra there. And now we are going to measure out our shaving cream. It's okay if it overflows a little bit. Let's add a little extra. And now we are going to mix it together. And let the kiddos do this part too because it is so fun for them to get all messy and dirty. And there we have it. Packable snow that they can make themselves. Now one thing that's really fun to do with this project is that you should take some little cups and make little snowballs. You can put googly eyes and little carrot noses in them. And then if you have some vinegar, because there's baking soda in this, you can melt them. Really fun project that we've done with the kids in the past here, and it is so incredibly fun. I hope you all enjoyed our project for today, and have a wonderful day everyone. Bye-bye.